Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Erba Mannheim Excel system pack. So as you can see, this is the top and the front view of the kit. So let me show you the sides. So guys, this is the Erba Excel Multical system pack. So you can see, it has a reference number of 120611. You can see it has an expiry of 1.5 years. It's a C certified IVD product from Erba, and you can also see it needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. You can see all these other details over here. It's a quantity of one box. So this is the back side of the kit. So this is the other side of the kit. So as you can see, it is like well sealed. So guys, this is the Excel Multical system pack from Erba. Thank you.